doing this video again because I put the wrong units on my answer. I'm going to go through a little faster. 0.073 centimeters. We're going to change centimeters into micrometers. Right there. So anytime you go from one prefix to another, by the way, that's not a U, that's a Greek symbol mu, means micro. I would go to the base unit, make a stop there. All right, because centimeters to meters, piece of cake. All right, and then meters to micrometers, piece of cake. Centimeters to micrometers, not a piece of cake. So anytime you have two prefixes, stop by the base unit. So we're going to do that now. Get rid of centimeters, put that on the other side of that base unit. I'm sorry, other side of the conversion factor. All right, put the base unit on the other side of that. What's that? All right, the conversion factor is 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Centi means 100 times smaller. All right, now we can go from meters to micrometers. All right, now I know I do things differently this time. Like this, when we have extreme prefixes, I always like to put the 1 next to the unit with the prefix, and then I'll always use the 10 to the, in this case, 10 to the negative 9. No, hold on. This is micro is 10 to the negative 6. That means 1 million times smaller. So you can do it this way every time if you want to be just like a one-way kind of person. But when we do with like centi, milli, and kilo, we just use that in everyday life, and so this is just more comfortable to me. But if you wanted to do like, hey, this is 1 and this is 10 to the negative 2, yeah, you can do it that way. If you want to memorize your prefixes like that, go ahead, do it. Whatever way will get you the right answer. All right, so these meters cancel out, and let's just, all right, so so these kind of things, if you want to use your calculator, you can, but for me, it's just, that's 10 to the 2. All right, I'm going to multiply because they're side by side, and then we add these exponents, and that's going to give us, adding the exponent is going to give us negative 6 plus 2. All right, it's going to be negative 4, and then bring this stuff to the top, and that's going to be 10 to the 4, and so we have, our answer is going to be 0.073 times 10 to the 4. Oh, I almost did it again. It's the same exact thing. Micrometers. Now we can't leave our answer like this. 1, 2, 3. You know that? Oh, 1, 2. All right, we know that. So that is going to give us 7.3 times 10 to the negative. We move the 2 times to the right, so it's going to get smaller by 2. What am I doing? Sorry. Okay, there it is.